breaking news, literally, that has just happened 2 hours ago. Okay, so Etsy is looking at rolling out a new membership program for buyers, which is very, very exciting. Now, the great thing about this is that cost-wise, you don't need to make any changes or anything at all. And the benefits to people enrolling in this, and it's going to be rolling out to a very select group of buyers in the US this September, is that you will get access to things like free US domestic shipping, a special birthday bonus, a limited edition tote bag, and some other Etsy seller deals and kind of membership only discounts, first access, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so as a seller, we don't need to actually do anything here, which is great. There's no action required. Okay, now they're just doing this in the States in September. Okay, so they have said that they are going to be working with a select group of shops, and it's an opportunity that is optional for you. Okay, you don't have to change your shipping and you don't have to cover the cost for anything. So all in all, this is a really cool thing that Etsy is going to be rolling out in September. They're going to be testing it. So let me know what you think in the comments below.